Hi, Kristen here. Last day of summer, I'm here with my dogs at my mom's house on the lake, and I am teaching you a few short tools that you can use to help you calm your nervous system in the moment and on the fly. As I said before, my very favorite one is the inner sanctuary tool, which I teach in a lot of different places. So I'm going to give you some other tools that you can use that are using your own senses to help you get out of your head, which is where all the stuff happens, right? And just pay attention to something briefly for a little bit of time. It doesn't have to be longer than 5 or 10 seconds even, and that creates an interrupt in your brain, which helps you to focus on something besides the issues and challenges that are triggering you or making you feel anxious or scared or whatever. So I just did, the first one I taught you was sound, and sound is going to be present in this one too, because here I am on the lake and the waves are crashing and my dogs might be barking in the background. But the next sense I want to focus on is the sense of touch. Now, there are a lot of different things you can use. My friend Erin uses a little stone. It's a smooth stone that she found somewhat wood. And you've probably heard some of these referred to as worry stones. There's like the fidget whatever things. There's a lot of different ways you can do this. But if you don't have any of those things handy, even just rubbing your fingers together in a way that with so much attention that you can feel the ridges in your fingerprints. So right now I'm just doing that. Okay, my nails are a little shabby, my hangnails actually, but just feeling the ridges of my fingernails. And you can also do it by just same thing, put your hand on your face, maybe tugging on your ear a little bit. Just, these are real casual movements that you can do that are not going to be, that are not going to be so distracting to other people that they're going to, look at you strangely. So they're things you can do that nobody really is going to, those who pay attention to those kinds of things might pay attention. But the key is to do it so that you notice, but not everyone else does. So that's number 2, the sense of touch. And you can also do it, it doesn't have to be your own fingertips. You could, like I said, my friend Erin uses a stone. You could have a little piece of driftwood that you rub your fingers on. Just anything at all that allows you to just closely pay attention to your sense of touch. So that's number 2. I'll be back in a moment with number 3.